Hello students, a very good morning to you all. Today we are back again with revision of chapter 1 globes and maps. I hope you all read the chapter very carefully as instructed yesterday, because when you read the chapter carefully you understand better and you don't need to sit and learn with the question answer part. It will be written, you can write in your own words. Now today, in today's video, we are going to do the points that is given on page number 10 of your textbook. Let's recall. Then we'll proceed with the new words, and we are also going to discuss. I repeat, we are going to discuss the exercise of chapter, that is page number 11 of your textbook. Those who have done, they will put a small tick if your answer is correct. I repeat, those who have done, they will put a small tick and do the needful if it is wrong. Okay, now moving ahead, let's recall. One of the ships from Magellan's expedition around the earth was the first to prove that the earth is round. This means that Ferdinand Magellan was the first person to prove that the earth is round. Now, they are explorers. Explorers are people who travel to look for new places and to learn about them. Now, a globe. What is a globe? A globe is a model of the earth. What is a globe? A globe is a model of the earth. A map. What is a map? A map is a drawing of the whole or part of the earth's surface on a flat surface such as paper. I repeat, what is a map? A map is a drawing of the whole or a part of the earth's surface on a flat surface such as paper. A book of various types of maps is called an atlas. Yesterday we had discussed the different types of maps, that is physical, political and thematic maps, and a book containing all the maps is called an atlas. In atlas you will find maps and maps only. Now we had studied about the language of the map. The language of a map includes, what all is included in the language of the map? Direction. Which is the most important, that is direction? North. Okay, the most important in the sense all the maps indicate the north at the top. So directions are the most important part of the map. Directions are the most important part of the map. They help us to locate places easily, and it is denoted with N. Symbol N is drawn, that is north direction indicating. Then scale. The size and distance between places on a map is shown on with a scale. I repeat, the size and distance between places on a map is shown by a scale. Yesterday we discussed, if the places actually they are located very far from each other. Now suppose if I talk of our city Rajkot, I talk of Rajkot to Ahmedabad. Now the distance between Rajkot to Ahmedabad, okay, maybe 200, 250, but when you see in the map, it is just at the distance of 2 centimeters. It means 1 centimeter equals to 100 kilometers. On the map, the distance is so small, we can measure it in just 2 fingers. But actually, the distance is not just 2 fingers. If I want to go from Rajkot to Ahmedabad, it takes hours to reach. So, a scale that is used to measure the distance between the two places, okay, that is the scale, which gives us the idea that actual distance between two places on the ground. Then it was the legend or the key. The legend or the key of a map explains what colors and symbols are used. As I've discussed yesterday, different colors, that is blue color, all water bodies are marked with blue color. Hills, mountains, plateaus with brown color. Hot deserts with yellow color and cold deserts with white color. Green is indicating plains and lowlands. After that, certain symbols are also used. For airport, a small circle in that aeroplane that indicates that in this direction or at this place airport is located. Then if a track is drawn, that means somewhere near railway station, you will see the symbol. Okay, then for hospitals, a plus sign red. Hospital sign is not only seen in the hospital but on the vehicles of the doctors also. Then if we talk of church, a plus symbol, that is cross. Okay, that is indicating about the church. Then maps contain more details and are easier to carry from one place to another. So maps are easier. Globes not that easy and not that handy, cannot be rolled. Okay, if I want to see everything, I cannot see everything because half the places are located behind, so I have to turn the globe to see the places lying beneath. Okay, now moving ahead with new words. Explorer, a person who travels to look for new places and to learn about them. Model, a copy of something, usually smaller than the original object. Globe, an object shaped like a ball with a map of the world on its surface, usually with a stand so that it can be turned. Sphere, any round thing that is shaped like a ball. Axis, an imaginary line that passes through the center of the earth and on which earth spins. Spins means rotates. Map, a drawing of the whole or part of the earth's surface on a flat surface such as paper. Atlas, a book of maps. If we do revision again and again and again, it is only for your better understanding. So, please do not ignore thinking, oh, this is already done. No need to do again. Please don't do that mistake. Okay? It is for your better revision is being done for your better understanding. So, please do not ignore. Try to read the chapter again and again and again. I keep on saying repeatedly. Please do read again and again and again. Okay, now we are on page number 11 of your textbook. As I had told, I am going to discuss the answers. If you do not have your textbook, you should pause the video, get the textbook to check your work. Don't just sit and listen. Do take out page 11 of your textbook. Okay, now question 1. Fill in the blanks. Dash journey was the first one to prove that the earth is round. It was Magellan's journey. Whose journey was it? Ferdinand Magellan. Okay, the spelling. Those who do not know the spelling, they need to copy down from page number. It is given on the first page of your Textbook. I repeat. Ferdinand. That is Ferdinand. Ferdinand Maglan. That is Maggellan. I repeat. Ferdinand Maglan. Ferdinand. Ferdinand Magellan. A dash is a model of the earth. A dash is a model of the earth. The answer to this is globe. The spelling of globe, Globe. I repeat, Globe. This will help you to write also for those who have not written. I am spelling out the word for you. So if you have not written, please write. If you have written, please check whether the spelling is correct or not. Next, the dash passes through the center of the earth. Axis. 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 If you have written, small tick. If you have not written, please write. I spell the word only for those who have not written, but those who have written, they need to check. It is axis. Axis. Now next. Maps are drawn with a symbol showing the dash direction at the top of the page. It is north. 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 North direction. Okay. All the maps will be drawn showing this direction only. Last blank. All maps are drawn to scale. The spelling will be SCALE. I repeat, SCALE. Scale. Now, question number 2. Match the columns. In the A column, the given things are political maps, grids, plains and lowlands, language of a map, and mountains. Now let us look what is given on the other side, that is B. It is colors and symbols. Green in color. Show countries, cities. Brown in color. Squares. Okay. Now, let us see. Political maps. What matches with political maps is show countries and cities. Please match it with A with, that is 3. I repeat, A with 3. It is written in Roman numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3 is written in Roman numbers. I am saying 3, so you should be able to recognize. Okay, now grid. Please match it with 5, that is squares. Grids, please match it with squares. Plains and lowlands. Plains and lowlands. Please match it with green color. Green color. Language of the map. Language of the map. Please match it with first one. That is colors and symbols. Okay, colors and symbols are the languages of the map. In the last one, mountains. Please match with brown in color. Mountains. Please match with brown in color. I am repeating. A, 3. B, 5. C 2, D 1, E 4. Okay. Now, question number 3. Choose the correct answer. I will be reading the question. I'll read all the 4 options. When we have to choose the correct answer, we should not be in a hurry. Oh, we got the answer in the first option and we put a tick and move ahead. No. The rule says, whenever you have to choose the correct answer, you should read all the options given. Then only you will be able to do it. Magellan's journey proved that the earth is round around 200 years ago, around 500 years ago, around 400 years ago, around 100 years ago. Now, we read it was around 500 years ago. So, the correct answer is 2. That is around 500 years ago. Second one. A globe shows us the location of different. I repeat, a globe shows us the location of different dash. Now, continents, countries, seas, or all of these. Now, the globe shows us the location of continent also. It shows countries also. It shows seas also. So, the correct answer is all of these. Please put a tick on all of these. A drawing of the whole or a part of the earth's surface on a flat surface is called map, globe, scale, and atlas. I repeat, the drawing of the whole or a part of the earth's surface on a flat surface, that is paper. So it is map. A map is the correct answer to this question. Which is the most important component of a map? Which is the most important component of the map? Let us read. Directions, legend, colors, symbols. The correct answer is directions. On a map, water bodies are always shown in. Though we know the answer, we have to read all the options. Yellow, green, blue, dark brown. The correct answer is blue. The correct answer is blue. Now, I am repeating. You please check. The first is around 500 years ago. Around 500 years. Then, the globe shows us the location at. The correct answer is all of these. Third one. A map. After that, directions. And the last one is blue. Last one is blue. Now, moving ahead. Unscramble the letters to form the correct words. Now, we have to read. The alphabets are given. We have to unscramble the letters. An imaginary line passing through the center of the earth. The imaginary line. The answer to this is axis. Now, when you have to write the correct word, please make sure that you write in capital. Write in capital. The unscrambled answers are to be written in capital. You can see the given alphabets in the bracket are also in capital. So, we have to write the answer accordingly. I am spelling out the word AXIS. AXIS. IS. Next one. A model of the earth is globe. The spelling will be GLOBE. Those who have not written, please write. GLOBE. Third one. Maps that show mountains, rivers, etc. Now, we have learnt the different types of maps, no? In that, what shows us mountains and rivers? It is physical maps. Okay. So, the correct answer is physical. Please write the correct spelling. I will repeat the spelling. It is PHYSICAL. Maps. MAPS. Physical maps. I am repeating the spelling of physical. PHYSICAL. Next. Maps that show small areas such as a street in detail. The answer to this is plants. PLANS. It is PLANS, plants. A book of maps is atlas. ATLAS. I repeat. ATLAS. Now, what we have to do is listen carefully. Question answers are already given to you. You have written also. You read. I say you read, but no need to mug up the answers. Do not take any tension. Read carefully. You are free to answer in your own words. Now, I have written instructions to give for Saturday class. Now, our next period directly falls on Saturday. On Saturday, what I have planned for you? What I have planned for you is, I am going to conduct a quiz. Conduct a quiz means I will ask the question. You have to sit with your paper and pencil. I repeat. You will sit with your paper and pencil. I will say the question. You will write the answer in that paper which you have taken with you. When all the questions will get over, after that I will say the answers and you are going to put a tick if your answer is correct. I repeat, you are going to put a tick if your answer is correct. Okay, this way you will be able to check how much you have understood and how much you need to put in more effort. It will be all objective type question. I am not going to ask any answer the following. In the quiz, it will be all multiple choice. Okay, I may give you option also. If it is there, then I will give you. Otherwise, if it is one word answer, then you will have to write that one word answer. If I say a book of maps, then you have to write the answer to it as atlas. Okay, so on Saturday, do not forget to sit with pencil and paper to write your answers. Girls, boys, it is for everyone. All the children have to follow the instructions. Thank you all. Have a nice day.